Hello everybody, welcome to Jacqueline Marie Living. I'm Jacqueline Marie. Lavender fields color prevents France purple each summer, but we do not need to go to France to see lavender fields. We are in Cape Cod, Massachusetts, and we're going to go today to the Cape Cod Lavender Farm in Harwich, Massachusetts. So if you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you're a new visitor and have not subscribed yet, please subscribe so you won't miss any of the future episodes. So let's go ahead and visit this beautiful farm in Cape Cod, Massachusetts. It's a beautiful summer day in Massachusetts, and as soon as you come out of the car, you see this beautiful farm with a gift shop at the entrance. So we're going to see the gift shop first, and then we're going to visit the farm. Outside the gift shop, they have beautiful lavender plants for sale. So let's go inside the gift shop to see what they have. The Cape Cod Lavender Farm is located in Harwich, Massachusetts, and it's a family-owned working farm, and it's open from March to December, but the harvest peak is between late June to mid-July. So we are in the harvest peak. Everything inside the gift shop is about lavender. I wish that you were here so you can smell the aromas of the lavender. It's a very cute gift shop. This basket filled with the lavender, it looks very beautiful. It looks so French country. And now let's go ahead and tour the beautiful lavender farm. The Cape Cod Lavender Farm is surrounded by 75 acres of conservation land with walking paths, so it's an absolutely beautiful place. The lavender farm has about 7,000 plants. This is another variety of lavender called Santolina or lavender cotton. If you live in the Massachusetts area or just come to Cape Cod for vacation, this is a beautiful place to visit. We're visiting today on the peak of the harvest, so most of the harvest has been collected already. And I cannot leave this farm without taking with me a beautiful bunch of lavender to put in my kitchen. I hope that you enjoyed the tour of the beautiful Cape Cod Lavender Farm. It was a great day and the lavender bunch adorns my kitchen and the aromas are exquisite. That's it for now. If you have not subscribed yet, please remember to subscribe before you leave the video. I have more videos coming up with decorations for fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving and Christmas. I'm Jacqueline Marie and I hope to see you next time on Jacqueline Marie Living. See you then.